Good afternoon, everyone. Over next door. Every time I was trying to get a video here lately, the shop was locked. Crap happened. Here's the hood getting DA'd. And now, fuel tank. One thing hooked up there. Go ahead, up. I just thought I'd let everyone see what's going on and what ain't. Just remember this, my girl, when you look up in the sky, you can see the stars and still not see. It's getting there. Battery box, impedance. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you're having a good day. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.